Hi friends, in this video, we will see how we can create the program for finding a factorial any given number. So the first question may be arise in our mind that what is factorial of any number? So let us consider number 4. Then how we can find the factorial of 4? Then we can simply start the multiplication from 1 till itself 4 will not come. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So what will be the answer? Is it 24? Yes. Is it 24? Then take another one example, that is 3. So what will be the factorial of a 3? Then we simply start the multiplication from 1 till itself 3 is not come. So 1 into 2 into 3. So is it 6? Yes, is 6. Then if n will come, then we start the multiplication from 1 till n. What will be the logic behind this? So we can simply create a for loop that is start from 1 till the self number will not come. Then we simply increment the I by 1. Let us consider we have to find factorial of 4. Then instead of n, we have to write 4 here. So inside the for loop, we have to write this expression, that is fact is equal to fact into I. So what is the meaning of this expression? First of all, we have to assign value 1 to fact variable. So we have to find factorial of 4. Then inside the for loop, we iterate the I from 1. So is 1 is less than equal to 4? Yes, it's less than equal to 4. Then we will come inside the for loop. Then what is the factorial of, what is the value of fact? So here value of fact is 1. So what is the value of fact? Value of fact is 1. Value of fact is 1. Then what is the value of I? Value of I is 1. Then 1 into 1. Now 1 into 1 is 1. Then we have to store the answer inside the fact variable. Then what will be the value of fact now? Is it 1? Yes. Is it 1? Then again, we increment the I by 1. Now, I will become 2 from 1. Then check the condition. Is 2 is less than equal to 4? Yes. Then simply jump inside the for loop. Then what is the value of fact now? Value of fact is 1. So, value of fact is 1. Now, what is the value of I? Value of I is 2. Then here is a 2. Then 2 into 1, 2. Then the 2 is stored into the fact variable. Then here we can write 2. Then again increment the I by 1. The value of I become 3 from 2. Then again check the condition. Is 3 is less than equal to 4? Yes. Then again jump inside the for loop. Then what is the value of fact now? Value of fact is 2. Then here we write 2. Now what is the value of I? Is 3? Yes. Then 3 into 2, 6. Then we have to store the 6 into fact variable. Then here 6. Then again increment the I by 1. So here I will be changed to 4 from 3. Then again check the condition. Is I, that is 4, is less than equal to 4? Yes. Is it equal to 4? It is equal to 4. Then again we have to jump inside the for loop. Then again, what is the value of fact now? Value of fact is 6. Then here we have to write 6. Then what is the value of I now? Here value of I is 4. Then we have to write 4 here. Then 6 into 4, 24. Then we have to store the 24 inside the fact variable. 24. Then again increment the I by 1. Then here I changes to 5 from 4. Then again check the condition. Is 5 is less than equal to 4? Is 5 is less than equal to 4? No. Here condition is false. Then we exit the for loop and simply print the value of 24 that is stored into fact variable. So for writing, we have to write %d that is format specifier, and then we have to simply print the value which is stored inside the fact variable. Then if the user enter the any random number that is n, then simply exchange the 4 by n. So let us see how we can write the code inside the VS Code. First of all, we have to create a file with .c extension. So I create the file with the name fact.c. So we simply write the code for finding a factorial. So we have to include library file, that is hash include stdio.h, that is standard input output library. Then we have to start code from main function, that is int main. Then inside this bracket write the code for factorial. So we have to create three variables, that is n for taking the input from user, then another one is I for loop, and then fact, and we assign it value 1. We write the message for a user for enter the number with printf function, enter the number for finding the factorial. Then read the input from a user with scanf function, %d ampersand n. Then inside the for loop, I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to n, and I plus plus. So inside the bracket, we have to write fact is equal to fact into I, and then outside the for loop, print the value that is stored into fact variable, then return 0, because we write the function inside the int. Then simply run the program, save the program by pressing Ctrl S, then open the new terminal, then type the command, that is gcc fact.c, then simply press A tab. Then I have to find factorial of 4. Is it 24? Yes. Is it 24? We create the program for finding a factorial.
So friends, like, share and subscribe the video. Not forget to hit bell icon. So friends, we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.